Hello guys, Pintacrat here, and today I'm going to show you I made a website for converting the chest texture into from Java Edition to Bedrock Edition. So it's as simple as it can get. You have these options here. The resolution is like 16x, 32x. Come on, yeah, you can just change it. And here, Java to Bedrock or Bedrock to Java, single chest or double chest. So I'm going to show you how it works. So you just find something here, like maybe maybe I want to convert a Java texture to a Bedrock texture. Let's maybe use the Christmas chest. And of course, it is a 16 by 16. So if I zoom in, you can see it's a 16 by 16. So now it's here. And if we convert, it just converts the Java chest into the Bedrock chest. And you can use this texture in Bedrock. And it also works the other way around. So Bedrock chest, Bedrock textures, maybe let's choose the Ender chest, and boom, and you can download it. You can see I downloaded it. For the double chest, you just have to select it, and Bedrock to Java has this one file because Bedrock chest is actually just one file. And the Java chest, this is what I'm very pissed about. It has like two files and they're just completely confusing. So first I'm going to show you converting the double chest to the Java. So here's the Bedrock double chest, and you convert it, and boom, it splits it to these files. And you will notice this is the two files for the Java double chest. Yeah. And now let's test the Java to Bedrock. Let's go test images. Let's see, Christmas left. Let's test the. And if I convert it, as you can see, it merges the textures properly. It also works with different resolutions. So let's just let's check out the 32x, which is like the resolution of the faithful texture pack. So let's test here the 32x chest, and let's select the same texture, and I'm going to show you that it is the 32 by 32. You can see it. So now I'm going to convert it, and I'm going to download it. It looks like this. It is indeed 32 by 32. So why did I make this? Well, I was pissed when I was making my own chest texture. I was making a texture pack, and the chest texture, the single chest texture, I was like, what is this texture? I checked. I'm gonna show you Blockbench. Like, I was genuinely disgusted when I saw this, and it was not even the worst of. So you can see it's pretty normal, right? It looks unsuspecting, right? It looks innocent. It's so cute. But you will notice here it's different. I made the chest texture first in the Bedrock texture. I used the Bedrock texture first, so it did not look like this. You know what it looked like? It looked like this. Like, what is this? It's a nightmare. Like, why is it flipped like this? What is this? And what is this? Why is the UV map like rotated 180 degrees? And this too, and this too, and like, why is this thing? I call it bar. Why is it on the back, not at the front? This is supposed to be the front. Where is the... So now I had to find out what was happening. So basically, I did is just I converted the project into a bit like maybe a generic model, and I was like, what is this? So I was trying to modify the chest texture. The model of the chest. And I was a bit confused on what was happening when I was changing these parameters, the position, the size, and the pivot point. It was weird. Because while I was texturing, I was confused why the green the green arrow is flipped down. Why is it down? So I did what I did. I rotated it, and I basically did. I fixed the model of the chest to make the bedrock texture. And when I was gonna like, I was gonna apply it to Java, which I compared the textures, and I was like, what happened? I was genuinely confused. And I checked the double chest. I thought I was done there. Like, okay, I converted the single chest, but turns out there's more. You can see how broken it is. What is this? What is this texture? What is this? It's it's confusing. Like how this texture plus another texture is just like it just doesn't make sense that they're separate textures, you know? And I was really, really angry when I saw this because that meant I had to convert the chest, and it was a torture. It was a torture to convert the chest, you know? Very, very torturous. And so, because I was so angry at what happened, I basically said to myself, you know what? Screw this thing. I'm gonna make a program. And program I did make, and program I did code with a bit of help of AI. And before you can say that I'm a hypocrite for saying I hate AI and I shouldn't use AI or something like that, and I'm against AI, but I suddenly use AI in coding, I am not completely against AI. AI is a tool, but it is not meant to be abused. And I basically did a lot of programming, and this AI searching thing, it can search the missing variables. So if there's like this teeny tiny mistake of like there's just one variable being null, the AI can figure out like where it is. I'm not gonna waste hours of debugging it. So basically, I made a Python code. That's pretty awesome. But you may notice here in the final version, there's no Python code. It's not Python. I'm actually using JavaScript. So what happened? I wasted my time making a Python code. I didn't know back then. I thought it was like you put the Python code in the HTML and you're done. Well, like no, no, you're wrong. Python doesn't work. You need some frameworks or something. I don't understand it. But basically, after I made the Python code, I just discovered you can't use the Python code. And I was devastated. And I'm gonna show you the Python code. So you can see I was like testing the Java and Bedrock images, and I was kind of wrong on some parts of it, but like it's done now. I don't care. I don't care anymore. So basically, what I did is I programmed this, which is basically doing a bunch of stuff. Here's the whole list where it takes the numbers, sees if it's like it says bar top, and then it compares it to the UV map assigned to the from goes to the to. If you don't understand it, I'm gonna explain it after after I show you this. So here is the to, and this is the from. So how does it work? It basically does this. So it converts the texture from the first UV map, the from UV map from this texture. I mean this UV map list. It's the Java chest UV map. And where does it go? The Bedrock chest UV map. And then what file does it use? It's the converted chest texture. What resolution? The resolution? And it's pretty simple on the single chest because it's like 1-to-1. But on the double chest, it's not really it's not simple. I guess might be kind of simple, but it basically does the same thing, but you have to do something. For the double chest, I basically had to do this. I'm gonna show you in my MS Paint. So imagine this is the single chest, and basically to convert a single chest to another single, you just copy it. That's it. That's all you do, right? But for a double chest, this is the Bedrock double chest. This is the Java uh, double chest. So this is like one file, while this is one, two, right? So I have to convert the one and two into a one file. So how do I do that? I just merge the textures. This plus this equals, well, obviously it's this, right? And then I convert this into the texture. I run it to the UV map converter, right? What about the Bedrock chest? Well, it's simple. I just convert it first, and then I split it like that. That's just how simple it is. So now I got to work on this thing. I programmed it for like hours on end. I just never found a solution that works properly. I had to hard code it if I wanted it to work properly, but it just did not want to work. I don't know if I had the recording, if I captured it. I'm not sure, but yeah, basically it just hated me. So now I'm gonna show you the next code, the texture splitter merger. This is what it is. It's pretty small, but basically, if I run this, it asks me split or merge, and then the file, upload one, upload two. So you can see here, and basically what it does is just take this image, split it, or take this image and then merge it. You get it. So yeah, it's a pretty small code, but you have to run this texture splitter merger first before you run the main code when you're converting a double chest to another double chest, which is like kind of no, right? You want one press a convert button runs everything, you know? So after I discovered that Python is not gonna work on my website, and also this Python, I made this 3 times. First time, it failed. Second time, it failed again. Third time, it kind of works, which is this thing. I named it Python unusable because I can't use it on this. This is the first look of the thing. Uh, it's kind of broken. Let's go to the next one, the website. So here it is, a bit more upgraded. I think I redid it again. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I redid it. The convert button is missing, but yeah, basically it's this. It's kind of looking better. I'm gonna be honest. I prefer this look than this look because this just like it's too plain. I think this is cute. This is cool. Like the background of chest and the color gradient. I love this. But unfortunately, this also did not work because why? It's just complicated code. So now I made a second one. Wow. So now I went to the second one. This is not the second one. I said second one. Thank you. And it looked like no, that was test HTML. This is main HTML. Looks fine, right? It's cute. It's nice. Like you have the description here, and then the instructions here, and then you upload the files here. It's different from this. It's different from this. It's like it's definitely getting there. I made another one, which is this, and it's the third website now. It's a backup one. It's then this one, and you notice it's a bit different here. I'm trying to do the design on the first one, but like the brown looks kind of Also, this is a test image, as you can see, test image. So this is one backup, but I decided I'm gonna revert all the changes and make this the backup in case something happens. So I made the third one. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. This is the thing that I made some this, and then I backed this up and then undid everything. So, and then we reached the final, which is not the one uploaded in my GitHub because it had some changes, and here it is. It's works like something, and then I uploaded it to GitHub, thinking it was done. I forgot to debug everything. It broke. And do you know how many times I had to update this? Oh, many, many, many. I have 7 commits. I mean, it's not that many, but like, it's so unnecessary. And you can see I fixed the icon, and then I changed the bugs because there were like few bugs, problems everywhere. It was not working, and then I updated it again because apparently there's more problems. Yeah, I fixed the bars because apparently the things, the left and the right, specifically the top and the bottom, are flipped for some reason. I don't know why. Like the left one is in the right one, and the right one is the left one. It's a mess. So I fixed everything here. I searched for the error for like a very long time, and I was like, finally I found it. And then I just flipped everything here, and it finally works. It finally works. And then I fixed more of it. Yeah, I just fixed more of it until it's finally done. And you can now convert your chests from Bedrock to Java and Java to Bedrock. You don't have to like stare at this texture and think, how do I rearrange the UV map to work in Bedrock? No, just use this. And trust me, there is no virus to this. You can just literally check the GitHub. So like, yeah, this is pretty cool, right? You can convert like this mess of the normal left and the normal right, the mess. I'm gonna go insane on this and just convert them to this cutesy double chest Bedrock. And I want Mojang to see this. I want Mojang to fix whatever this chest UV map is, because it's a mess. It's a real mess. I want them to make my website redundant. What is redundant? I don't know that word. Oh, that's correct. Okay. I want Mojang to fix the UV map of the chest. Please, the double chest, please just fix it. Fix the model, fix it. Like, why is it flipped, right? Why is it like this? Why is it flipped? I want it to be fixed. Please, Mojang, fix your chest.